adventures such as riding my Harley Davidson, fishing, possibly even a hunting trip next fall. Back up that paragraph again.
Okay, I'll back it up.
I will share some barbecue tips and tricks I've learned to show you how to win in your backyard cookout. I'll even bring you into back up. I will share.
Paste it.
Cut.
I like that. Cut, cut, cut.
Cut. Back. Hold on. Okay. Cut. Back up that sentence. Cut. Let me start this whole paragraph. Cut and start that sentence. Cut.
So that was take 4, 5.
Welcome to the back up. I want to welcome you to Big Mo Country. I'm your host, Big Mo.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I want to welcome you to Big Mo Country. I'm your host, Big Mo. Welcome to the back up.
Oh man.
Back up. Cut.
Oh man, that was good. This is gold. This is freaking gold.
To Big Mo Country. I'll
Oh god. Oh fuck me. Oh my god, this is going to be the best part. This is going to be the best part. Let's go at 4. So that'll be 5.
that sentence over. I'll share some barbecue chip.
I can't kill that last one. It's just too much. Oh my god.
Also, I hope to film.
Oh my god.
Also, I hope to put some interesting.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Also, I hope to put some interesting content in here, so even if you are a master gardener, you'll still enjoy watching the videos as I learn and become better. Just cut it out. Become better. Just cut it out as I learn. Let me start over.
Let me start over. Pooh?
As I learn and become better.
I'm never gonna get this fucking video done. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You'll still enjoy watching the videos as I learn and become better.
Let's do it here.
Let's just cut it out as I learn. Let me start over. Cut. And become better. And become better. Just cut it out as I learn. Let me start.
What if I hold up? What if I fade this? It's not gonna show it.
Become better.
It actually shows.
And become better.
A bit much.
And become better. Just cut it out as I learn. Let me start.
That's it. That's it. That's perfect. All right.
I'll bring you along as I garden. There's some barbecue tips and trips.
You did it again.
I'll share some barbecue tips and tricks I've learned to show you. Videoing everything. That leads me to the base. Cut. All right. Show you how to win and back that up. I will even bring you into the kitchen.
Oh man.
Do take 7 over.
You can't do it. Take 7 over. It's take 8.
Like, ring a bell. Hold on. Let me do it over. That just. All right, friends. That just.
It's so good.
All right, friends.